Hello everyone, we're going to talk about auto recipe tuning and improving next generation fab. As we talk about last few lessons, we talk about AIJP, AIMP and AITDB. Next generation fab has these AI system equipment. Is the necessary condition. We're going to do the automatic recipe tuning and improving. We equip the AIJP, MP and the AITDB. Then we let required R&D engineer, process integrate engineer, process engineer, even the senior equipment engineer. Also, we need vendors, including equipment manufacturer and material or chemical manufacturer. We need all these men to provide whole knowledge and skill of tuning recipe by editing recipe very well, and also provide whole result pattern like and is measuring and judging for the QC inspector tool. And let it's all saved to AT chain database, AI chain database. After we got the AI chain database, now we are going to do this. R&D, PIE, PE, applicate the fine-tune improve recipe required to CIN system, and with the request specific type of equipment and recipe body and dummy wafer, and request the specification for the final result. Then CIN system start to arrange suitable equipment and dummy wafer for execute it automatically. Next, let AI system to do it automatically without any mankind help. This is the fine-tune recipe auto flow. Step 1. Run the edit recipe. The edit recipe by AIJP edit according to AITDB. After running the dummy wafer by edited recipe, QC inspect the result by AIMP system. And step 2. Continue to run edited recipe by AIJP. This recipe edited according to the result of AIMP. This result QC inspect according to the result of AIMP and AITDB's suggest. So AIJP review the result of QC inspect by AIMP and listen to the AITDB's suggestion to edit this recipe and run this recipe, then do the QC inspect by AIMP. Step 3. You can select step 1 and step 2 as a repeating job. So, step 3. Continue repeat step 1 to step 2. Let's continue to run and QC inspect. Then edit the recipe by AIJP processor according to AIMP and AITDB. And this fine-tune flow just as engineers doing. If you are an engineer, you are very familiar it. But here, AI does it automatically. After repeating suitable times, finally QC inspector gets the result in specification as requested. Then to end tuning job. So we finally get the fine-tune recipe in specification request. And you can see the next generation fab do it by AI CIN system. Execute the tool and improve repeat like job more efficient than mankind. It's obviously AICIN repeat like kind of the job has more efficiency than mankind does. Okay, let's all see you next time.